Welcome to Richard's Slot Car Room. Welcome to Tyco Tuesday. Today we'll be doing this Chrome 40 Ford Coupe on an HP2. Yeah, she's beautiful. I know I'm a little late. It's alright, you're still getting one today. But yeah, I'll put you guys on pause and bring you around here and we'll check this bad boy out. You don't know what CVs are? Look them up. Wikipedia. Here's our car. Give you guys a little closer look at it. Yeah. Got your sticker, Jim. Thank you, sir. Real nice. Appreciate that. Wow. Okay, must mean you running really well. It's about one short. Wow, we got it up to one. Yeah, I don't like that. So yeah. I'm going to have to fix her up here a little bit. This motor's a little hot. Does not turn very well. Looks like it's rubbing. So we're gonna have to tear her apart. Wow, that is rubbing. It is a rubbing. Let's loosen these up right here and see if that helps. No, it does not. No, there's something in there, or I can't see because you're in my way. Camera. It's still rubbing. I'd say something. The magnet probably broke and something rubbing on it. That or there's something in the motor itself. Nice and clean. Oh yeah, something rubbing big time in there. Well, I have no idea. Don't see nothing. Usually, no. So we're going to change this motor out. Let's find another mean green. These are not, yeah, here's my HP2 motors right here. There's a couple in there that don't belong in there. This is one of them. Alright, so let's slap these bad boys in there. There we go. Yeah, real good, Rich. The magnets are facing the wrong way, the little plates. These ain't magnets. These are actually plates. Little pieces of metal. They're somewhat magnetized, but not really. Oh. Well, the guide pin will not come out. Probably an AFX and not a Tyco. There it is. New motor. It's too loud to put the body on. Yeah. It'll warm up a little bit more. Good love on them. There we go. We'll look that bad boy up in a book. No, we'll wait. I'm gonna take it over to the track. Well, it's pretty good. Rear end's a little light. A little. Ass happy, you might call it. There you have it. Chrome 40 Ford Coupe. There she is right there, number 12. Number 12. 7879 HP2. 6944 part number. Availability is a 3. It's number 12 on page 34. Chrome Red Flame Super Glow. Well, there you have it, folks. Slide heads. Ford Coupe on HP2. Runs pretty darn good. Yeah, we had to change the old mean green out. We had to change it out, put a different cam motor in. Another mean green. Not sure what's wrong with that one. I will investigate the issue and probably repair it and put it back into the case where it belongs. Well, where it's going. Not sure if that was the original motor for that car to begin with. May have been, may have not have been. It may have been swapped out. Appreciate you guys coming in, checking out my video. If you're not subscribed, I don't know why you're not. It's free. Forget it. I ain't even gonna get into it. Yeah, I get about 300 views and on my videos, and maybe 100 of you are actually subscribed. I appreciate if you would subscribe, hit the bell, get notified. Yes, and yeah, leave me a comment. And 7 words or more. It's not hard. Not hard to do. Appreciate you guys coming in, and I will see you guys Friday. Later.